The men are now on track for their section of the 400 meters. And UTEX Daniel Henry listed, Nicholas Blair, Shavoy Thompson, Keyshawn Hoffman of Excelsior. Look out for him, Tyrese Hyman of Titans, Zachary Wallace of Elite Family of Magotty High. In 6th, Demar Murray. In 7th, and Kemar Harris of listed 8th. So the men's 400 meters under the starters' orders. Even break for the field out quickly is Murray as he goes hunting. Davis as well, they're in lane 8. Zachary Wallace, now at Elite Track Club, formerly of Magotty High. Hoffman of Excelsior is also taking aim. Just about 150 meters to go. It's still Demar Murray, 400-meter hurdle specialist these days. They come inside the straightaway. It's the veteran Demar Murray, the former very technical standout. Here comes now is Zachary Wallace of Elite, who goes by Murray, running strongly and finishing strongly is Zachary Wallace. Hoffman and Murray to the line for second. But left it late did Zachary Wallace, but a well-timed run from him. So 46.44, the flash time for Zachary Wallace. And there he is on screen, formerly of Magotty High. Certainly not Shemar Chambers, but that is Zachary Wallace, who won the men's 400 meters B race there.
And that was a personal best run for him, 46.4. Another look at the start, Demar Murray. There's Wallace in lane 6. He going well down the back straightaway. Demar Murray stepping at this point. He's in the lead.